Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're upgrading our car by swapping out the OEM front kidney grills with chrome surrounds and installing sleek M3-Style double slat grills in full gloss black. This mod is both simple and budget-friendly, so it's perfect for a DIY project at home. Removing the old grills. You'll notice that the grills are held in place with push-type clips. Start at the top, where space is a bit tight, and gently press downward to release the clips. The first grill can be a bit tricky, so I recommend having a second hand, or even a friend, to help apply outward pressure. This prevents the clips from snapping back into place unexpectedly. Once you've successfully removed the first grill, the next will come out more smoothly. Use the opening on the other side to get better access to the back of the clips. As you can see, someone else is now attempting it, ensuring you will be able to do this. Preparing for installation. With the old grills out, take a moment to clean up the area. This ensures that your new grills will sit flush and look their best. Installing the new grills. Fitting the new grills is a breeze. Simply align the clips with the corresponding holes and press firmly until you hear a satisfying snap. Give each grill a gentle tug to ensure they're securely in place. Again, we are going to copy and paste. And there you have it. Your car now sports a fresh, aggressive look that I believe brings it closer to how it should have come from the factory. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment below. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.